Are you guys gonna miss me? Yeah? Well, it's only gonna be a week. I'm also gonna miss you, bro.